The Court of Appeal began the hearing to determine whether Vybz Kartel and 3 other men should be retried for the 2011 alleged murder of Clive Lizard Williams. Dancehall star Vybz Kartel, born Adidja Palmer, along with Shawn Shawn Storm Campbell, Kahira Jones, and Andre St. John were charged and convicted of Williams' murder in 2014, receiving life sentences. Their convictions were upheld by the Court of Appeal in 2020. However, the UK-based Privy Council overturned the convictions in March 2024, citing juror misconduct and ordering Jamaica's local appeals court to decide on a retrial. Our reporter Natalia Clark summarizes today's proceedings.
A panel of 3 justices today began the 5-day hearing to decide if famed entertainer Vybz Kartel and his co-accused will be granted a retrial. This is in relation to the 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams, in which the men are implicated. The matter began shortly before 10 a.m. this morning with case submissions to include affidavits. Acting Director of Public Prosecutions Claudette Thompson, representing the Crown, sought to dismiss some statements made in the affidavits. In Adidja Vybz Kartel Palmer's statement, he contends a retrial would hinder his ability to support his family, while arguing his constitutional rights were being violated by current prison conditions. He also shared how the proceedings have affected him emotionally. The panel, comprising of Paulette Williams, Marva MacDonald Bishop, and Lord David Fraser, permitted these submissions. However, several submissions from Kartel's son, Adidja Palmer, also called Little Vybz, were rejected, including an argument regarding the entertainer's heart condition and its impact on enduring a retrial. Affidavits were also submitted for co-accused Andre St. John, Kahira Jones, Shawn Campbell's niece, and St. John's sister. A recurring issue in the affidavits was the potential prejudice due to the intense publicity surrounding the case, which the parties argued would prevent the 4 men from receiving a fair trial. Concerns were also raised about the timeline for the retrial, should one be granted. This prompted lead judge Marva MacDonald Bishop to query the status of other cases that had been sent for retrial by the Court of Appeal. She emphasizes the importance of knowing whether previous retrials were successfully completed in the Supreme Court. She says understanding this is critical as the court seeks to be fair in its ruling. The panel subsequently requested an audit from the Supreme Court Registrar on cases sent back in the past 6 years. In response, Acting DPP Thompson asked that the audit also account for delays caused by the COVID-19 pandemic or the unavailability of counsel or witnesses. Substantive arguments will be made on Tuesday, commencing at 9:30 a.m. And Natalia Clark, reporting for CVM News.